There are moments in history when a single mind refuses to accept the boundaries of the world. Elon Musk is one of those rare minds, a man who believes that impossible is simply an opinion, not a law of nature. But his journey didn't start with rockets, electric cars, or dreams of building a city on Mars. It began with a quiet child in South Africa, sitting alone, lost in books and ideas. He was bullied, beaten, and ignored. But he didn't fight back with fists, he fought back with knowledge. His weapon was imagination. At 17, he left his home country with a simple belief: a bigger future was waiting somewhere else. Canada was his first stop. The United States was his real destination. He arrived with almost no money, but an oversized vision. Elon Musk worked at a lumber mill, cleaned boilers, slept on couches, and survived on cheap meals. But he never doubted his direction. He believed that if he could learn fast enough, work hard enough, and think boldly enough, life would eventually bend to his will. His first company wasn't glamorous. Zip2 was just software that helped newspapers publish online. He worked day and night, sleeping in the office, showering at the YMCA. When the company was finally sold, he walked away with money, but money was never the goal. Next came X.com, a small idea that turned into what we know as PayPal. Again, he pushed harder than anyone. Again, he slept in the office. Again, he refused to quit. When PayPal sold, Elon Musk could have retired. He could have lived a safe billionaire life, but safety never interested him. Instead, he put nearly everything he had into three industries that everyone told him were stupid: electric cars, private rockets, and solar energy. Experts laughed. Engineers quit. Investors doubted. The media mocked him. Tesla was collapsing. SpaceX rockets kept exploding. Musk was weeks away from bankruptcy. But pressure doesn't break him. It sharpens him. When both Tesla and SpaceX were about to die, he fought with one final launch, and it worked. The rocket reached orbit. NASA signed a contract. Tesla survived. The world changed. That is Elon Musk's mindset. When the world says stop, you accelerate. When logic says quit, you double down. When failure hits, you rebuild. Musk doesn't ask, what is realistic? He asks, what violates the limits of imagination? He doesn't chase comfort. He chases purpose. Electric cars were a joke. Now they dominate the future. Reusable rockets were impossible. Now they land themselves. A commercial mission to Mars sounded like insanity. Now it is a timeline. This isn't luck. It's not magic. It is a mindset built on 3 rules. Rule 1, outwork everyone. He famously said, if others are working 40 hours a week and you work 80, you will achieve in 4 months what they do in a year. Rule 2, treat failure as research. Explosions weren't disasters. They were data. Rule 3, solve problems that matter. He believes wealth and fame mean nothing if you don't push humanity forward. You don't have to build rockets. You don't have to redesign cars. But you can take the mindset. Refuse to quit. Refuse to slow down. Refuse to think small. If your dream scares you, good. If people laugh, perfect. If you have nothing but belief, that's enough. Because the world doesn't change by asking permission. It changes when someone like Elon Musk says, impossible? Watch me.